Do you know how to get out of your car when the doors won't open? Or how to escape a locked trunk if you've been kidnapped? Most people don't realize that today's cars are packed with hidden features built to save your life in the worst situations. Here are 25 important hidden car features that could save your life. Let's dive in. Emergency escape. The first category of features we'll be looking at are emergency escape features that could save you if you're locked in your car. Number 1. Rear seat trunk release. Let's say you're locked in a trunk without a way to get out. Almost every modern sedan has a glow-in-the-dark trunk release inside, specifically designed to prevent kidnapping or accidental entrapment. Pull it and you're free. No keys needed. Number 2. Breakaway headrests. Remove your headrest and look closely. See those solid metal rods? In an emergency, like being trapped underwater, you can jam those into the corner of the window and shatter it. It's not just a headrest, it's a built-in escape tool. Number 3. Manual door unlock override. Power locks failed after a crash or battery death? Many cars let you manually override the locking system from the inside. Sometimes it's a hidden switch or a trick with the handle. It's worth knowing before you're stuck. Number 4. Interior lock-unlock with power off. Even with a completely dead battery, many newer cars still let you unlock the doors from inside thanks to mechanical redundancy. If your locks seem frozen, check the interior door latch. Some are wired to fail-safe positions. Number 5. Glow-in-the-dark trunk pulls. Separate from the seat release, these are installed inside the trunk and are mandatory in many regions. They glow so you can find them in the dark, and they're usually shaped like a person escaping. Literally a lifesaver if someone's been locked inside. Crash protection. Escaping the car is one thing, but surviving the impact in the first place? That's where these next hidden features come into play. Number 6. Crumple zone design. At first glance, your car's front end just looks like, well, bumpers and headlights, but behind those panels is a carefully engineered system of steel, aluminum, and reinforced channels designed to absorb energy in a crash. This is the crumple zone, and when your car crashes, these zones collapse in a specific way, redirecting the energy away from the cabin. Instead of transferring the full force to the passengers, the car takes the hit, literally. Number 7. Knee airbags. Everyone knows about front airbags, but look just below the steering column or under the glove box and you might find something you didn't even realize was there. Knee airbags. These deploy downward and outward in milliseconds during a crash, cushioning your legs and stopping them from slamming into the dashboard. But there's more. By preventing your knees from jerking forward, they help keep you in the proper seated position, allowing the seatbelt and other airbags to do their job more effectively. Number 8. Anti-Whiplash headrests. These headrests might look like standard foam blocks, but they're hiding a secret mechanism built to protect your spine. In a rear-end collision, your body slams back into the seat, but your head, it whips back with violent force. That's how whiplash injuries happen. But anti-whiplash headrests use clever engineering to move forward and upward during impact, meeting your head before the full snap can occur. Number 9. Seatbelt tensioners. It happens so fast you don't even feel it. But when your car detects a crash, seatbelt tensioners instantly tighten the belt across your chest and waist, pulling you snugly against the seat. We're talking fractions of a second. These tensioners use either explosive charges or electric motors to yank the belt tighter before you can even react. The goal? To eliminate slack so you're in the safest position right as the collision occurs. Number 10. Auto fuel shutoff after impact. You've survived the crash, but now your car is leaking fuel. That's a nightmare scenario. Thankfully, many vehicles come with an automatic fuel shutoff system that kicks in immediately after detecting an impact. Whether you're driving a gas-powered sedan or a diesel truck, the fuel pump cuts off within seconds, stopping the flow to prevent fire or explosion. Driver awareness assistance. But sometimes the best way to survive an accident is to avoid it entirely. That's where these next hidden features quietly step in, watching your blind spots, catching your mistakes, and even stepping on the brakes for you when you don't. Number 11. Blind spot warning lights. You're cruising down the highway thinking it's safe to change lanes, but there's a car hiding just out of sight. That's where blind spot warning lights save lives. Tucked into your side mirrors or embedded in the A-pillars, these little LEDs quietly monitor the lanes beside you using radar or sensors. The moment a car enters the danger zone, a light flashes to alert you that it's not safe. Some systems even go further. Try to merge while someone's in your blind spot. You'll get a vibration in the steering wheel, or the car will gently pull you back into your lane. Number 12. Fatigue detection, driver alert systems. Long road trip? Music's low, it's late, your eyelids are getting heavy, but you keep telling yourself you're fine. That's when your car might know you're not. Driver fatigue detection systems track your steering behavior, braking patterns, and even subtle lane drifting. If the system notices inconsistent input or signs of drowsiness, it throws up a warning, often with a coffee cup icon and a polite reminder, take a break. In higher-end models, these systems even use driver-facing cameras to track blinking and head position. Number 13. Brake Hold Assist. Brake Hold Assist does exactly what it sounds like. When you come to a complete stop and press the brake firmly, the system holds the brakes for you, even after you take your foot off the pedal. No rolling forward, no awkward creeping, no leg fatigue. Just relax until you're ready to move. Once you tap the gas, the hold releases automatically. It's usually activated with a tiny button near the gear selector. You've probably driven past it 100 times, but once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever sat through traffic without it. Number 14. Auto High Beams. Late night country roads are pitch black. You flip on your high beams and suddenly there's an oncoming driver, blinded by your light. That's where automatic high beams come in. These smart systems use forward-facing cameras to detect headlights and taillights ahead of you. The moment another car is near, your high beams dip automatically, then flip back up when the coast is clear. No more blinding other drivers, no more fumbling for the stalk. Just seamless visibility that adjusts faster than human reflexes ever could. Number 15. Automatic emergency braking. You're glancing at your phone or adjusting the AC. Then traffic suddenly slams to a halt and you don't react in time. That's when automatic emergency braking steps in. Using radar, LiDAR, or forward cameras, the system constantly monitors the road ahead. If it senses an imminent collision and you haven't hit the brakes, it'll apply them for you, often just in time to avoid impact. It's not just about saving the car, it's about saving lives, yours, your passengers, and the person in front of you. Kid and pet safety. Now we've talked about you, but what about the little ones in the back seat? Or the furry passengers who can't roll down the windows themselves? These next features aren't just thoughtful, they could be life-saving. Number 16. Child Lock Override on Key Fob. You've probably used the child lock on the rear doors before. Flip the switch and your kids can't open the door from the inside. But what if you forget to set it, or to disable it remotely? Some modern cars, especially higher trims from brands like Toyota, Hyundai, and Ford, let you activate or override the child locks from your key fob or infotainment system. No more fumbling at the rear doors every time you load the kids in. It's especially useful when your child is old enough to open the door but not quite old enough to do it safely. Lock it with a click. Unlock it just as fast. Take control, even from the driver's seat. Number 17. Rear Seat Reminder Systems. Every summer, heartbreaking stories make the news. A child or pet left in a hot car. It's tragic and totally preventable. That's why rear seat reminder systems were created. If you open a rear door before starting your drive, the car logs it. When you turn off the engine, it'll chime and flash a message like check rear seat. Some systems go further. Hyundai and GM use ultrasonic sensors to detect motion after the car is locked. If something moves in the back seat, the car honks, flashes lights, or even sends a notification to your phone. Number 18. Window lock plus pinch sensor. You probably know about the window lock button that disables the rear window switches, but there's a second hidden layer of safety built into many power windows, the pinch sensor. Let's say a child sticks their hand, head, or toy out the window and someone accidentally hits the switch. The window starts to close, but as soon as it senses resistance, it instantly reverses direction, lowering again to prevent injury. It's fast and quiet, and most people don't even know it's there until they test it. In some cars, it works with as little as a crumpled piece of paper. It's a small sensor doing big work. Number 19. Cabin Temperature Monitor, Pet Safety Mode. You need to run into the store for 5 minutes. Your dog's in the back seat. The windows are cracked, but it's hot out. Normally, that's a recipe for disaster. But cars like Tesla, Volvo, and newer GM models now offer pet safety modes, sometimes called dog mode or cabin monitor. You can lock the car, keep the AC running, and the screen displays a message like, "My owner will be back soon. The temperature is 72 degrees Fahrenheit." It keeps your pet cool and lets concerned bystanders know your dog's not in danger. It's not just luxury cars either. This tech is starting to trickle down into mid-range EVs and SUVs. Number 20. Interior Motion Sensors, Infant Detection Systems. Some vehicles like Hyundai's Palisade and Genesis GV80 now use radar-based motion detection inside the cabin. The system can sense even the tiniest movements, like a baby's breathing after the driver exits and locks the car. If it detects something moving in the back seat, it triggers a series of alerts, honking the horn, flashing the lights, sending a message to your phone, and in some cases contacting emergency services. It's not just a reminder, it's a guardian system that steps in when you forget. Because life gets busy, but technology shouldn't. Theft prevention, surveillance. So your car can help you escape danger, survive a crash, and protect your kids and pets. But can it stop someone from stealing it? These next hidden features are all about keeping your ride safe when you're not around. Number 21. Steering wheel lock. This one's old school but still brilliantly effective. Most cars built in the last few decades come with a built-in steering wheel lock that activates automatically when the ignition is off and the key is removed. Try to turn the wheel without starting the car and it locks up tight. It's not electronic, it's mechanical, and that's what makes it so effective. A thief might be able to hotwire your car, but they still can't steer it unless they physically break the lock. Something that's loud, messy, and time-consuming. Even with modern keyless cars, this lock is often still in place as a backup deterrent. It's simple, it's hidden, and it's been quietly ruining car thieves' days for years. Number 22. Interior motion detection, alarm systems. You might think your car alarm only triggers when someone opens a door or smashes a window, but in many vehicles there's a second layer of protection, interior motion sensors. These systems detect movement inside the cabin, so if a thief breaks the glass and climbs inside without opening the door, the system still knows. And it doesn't just chirp, it wails. Some systems even trigger a camera to start recording or send an alert to your phone. You won't see these sensors unless you go looking, and they're often hidden in the overhead console or part of the dome light. But they're always watching, ready to defend your car from the inside out. Number 23. Valet mode. You toss your keys to a valet or a mechanic and walk away. But what's stopping them from snooping through your glove box or taking your Corvette out for a joyride? That's where valet mode comes in. Activate it from your infotainment system or key fob and it locks down everything. Trunk access, glove box, speed limits, and even infotainment settings. Some cars cap the RPMs or limit top speeds to under 40 miles per hour. Teslas take it a step further, disabling most personal info, navigation history, and even hiding your home address. It's like putting a virtual babysitter in the car while someone else is behind the wheel. So next time you hand over the keys, let your car do the worrying for you. Number 24. Pin to drive, driver profile locking. Even if a thief gets into your car, can they actually drive it? Some cars now require a PIN code to start the engine or even shift out of park. Tesla calls it pin to drive. Others like BMW and Mercedes use driver profiles linked to digital keys or biometric data. Without the correct profile or PIN, the car stays dead silent. This means even if someone clones your key fob or breaks in with tech, they're stuck at square one. It's a layer of security that doesn't just stop unauthorized driving, it prevents it entirely, right at the source. Number 25. GPS-based movement alerts and boundary lockouts. And finally, imagine knowing the second your car moves without you in it. With geofencing and movement alerts, your car can send instant notifications if it's taken out of a preset area, like your driveway, parking garage, or service lot. Some systems even let you set speed limits or time of day rules. If your teen takes the car for a midnight joyride, you'll know. If a thief tries to tow it away, you'll know. Brands like OnStar, Hyundai Blue Link, and Tesla all offer versions of this feature. It's like having a virtual leash on your vehicle no matter where you are. So there you have it. 25 hidden features that might just save your life, protect your family, or stop a thief in their tracks. Hit that like button, subscribe if you learned something new, and drop a comment if you've ever used any of these features before.